I do one or two things, but I've started writing poetry, so I thought I'd try it out. This is a world premiere of my poetry, so there you go. Okay. Well, we'll see about that. The Tram. Okay. The Tram. Wham, bam. They're putting it right there, and they really don't care. Beeston is losing its clothes. We're almost bare, and they really don't care. We've lost the trees, the dog walk field. Wham, bam. They're putting it right there, and they really don't care. It's a conservationist's nightmare. Backs to the wall as we pass the works. The Beestonian shouts out, the shops will close. Have they really thought it through? Do they really not care? Do they, bollocks? Sorry about that. Okay. Open mic. This is a celebration of this particular venue. Okay. We learn from each other that talent is a common song to be sung at an open mic. We applaud and raise our glasses as an opportunity knocks for each act and YouTube fame beckons. The Chilwell open mic fills the air with convivial pints of talent. We savour new and old. Good beer satisfies each song, and sometimes distinctive poetry is the side order of the day. So let us celebrate and enjoy our wealth, as even the youngest show us how it's done. There you go, that's it. Don't feel you have to clap. Okay, Mad Mick. Now we all know who Mad Mick was. So I thought I'd write a poem about him and see how we go. Don't know whether I'll do him justice, but here we go. Mad Mick. He pleasured us with guitars, and his music remains in the air every time the hot pole swings. The people reverberating with living memories that such a dude becomes a song, a legend in our conversational drinking. Perhaps they'll name a festival of music and dance with spirit as we remember Danny Boy, that favourite gravestone song. Emotions floods carrying Mick on a melody homeward bound. There you go. Okay. Just a couple more, if you bear with me. Porn star. She had sex like a box of Thornton's Continental, savouring the different choices. But one day she found the box empty, and anyway, she somehow lost the taste for chocolate. There you go. The Bales. I've only just retired, so this is in celebration of this perhaps. The Bales. I'm having a renaissance as my test cricket days pass a leisurely 60 not out. And unless life throws a googly, my innings will go on. Till bad light might call the end of play, and the bails are removed and the covers brought out, and the spectators talking of how well I played, eulogising on the way home. There you go. Okay. Okay, and just the last one is called Bricky's Bum. Okay. He almost lost his trousers, picking up passing glances from the office girls, who smiled inwardly, a flash of temptation, a giggling, knowing laugh, disapproving of course, but lingering in her lingerie and climbing into her gym jams, she remembered, and hugging her pillow talk, they got acquainted in her dreams. There you go. Thank you very much.